Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard jerk beats. We'll dive into the essential components that give these tracks their signature bounce and energy. You'll learn about the ideal tempo, typically between 100 and 110 beats per minute, and how to craft those impactful 88 bass lines. Get ready to create some truly head-nodding rhythms with sharp, punchy drums. Now, let's talk about the drums, the backbone of any hard jerk beat. Start by choosing really crisp, high-quality samples to ensure maximum impact. You'll want to program a strong kick drum on the first and third beats of each measure, giving it that solid foundation. Then, place your snares firmly on the second and fourth beats for a consistent, driving rhythm. Don't forget to use open and closed hi-hats to add some rhythmic complexity and that signature bounce. Next up is the crucial bass line, often the most defining element of a hard jerk beat. You'll want to use an 88 bass or a similar deep, resonant sub-bass sound. Focus on creating a simple, repetitive pattern that really drives the track forward and makes people move. Ensure your bass line has a strong low-end presence and a powerful punch. Don't be afraid to experiment with glides and slides to add some extra movement and character to your sound. Finally, let's add some melodic elements and discuss mixing. You can incorporate simple, catchy synth melodies or atmospheric pads, but remember to keep them sparse. The focus should always remain on those powerful drums and the driving bass line. When mixing, ensure your drums and bass are prominent in the foreground, hitting hard. Apply subtle compression and EQ to achieve a clean, powerful sound that truly makes your hard jerk beat stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.